hate it when this happens. Now this is just a water pump bolt right here, but header bolts, bell housing bolts, there's lots of places where a traditional ratchet is just too big for the job. We just found a cool little device here at the show. This is the PROFORM Socket Assist. It's a chromoly adapter that solves clearance problems. What you do is you pop it into the socket, put this in place, and then you simply use a 12-point wrench to loosen the fastener. And then because of the 12 points, you've got great traction for your fingers, and the bolt comes out real fast. Sometimes the best inventions and the best discoveries are the smallest ones.